Hello everyone, today I have to show you how to solve this problem that went viral on the internet. A lot of people gave different answers and that's why this question caused so much confusion. Before I show you the correct way to solve it, I want to talk about the most common mistakes people made. The first mistake is not following the order of operations. In this problem, we have a minus sign, a division sign, and a plus sign. And the order of operations tells us that multiplication and division come first. And only after that do we handle addition and subtraction. But instead of following that, many people just started solving from left to right. And that's how they ended up with the wrong answer. The second mistake happens even when people know the order of operations. They correctly try to do this part first, 2 divided by 1 over 2. But somehow they think this equals 1. I don't know how exactly, but maybe they are trying to cancel this 2 with this 2. And that kind of cancellation is only allowed when we have multiplication, not division. Now, let me show you how to solve this correctly. We already know we have to follow the order of operations. So we start with the division. 2 divided by 1 over 2. How do we calculate this? Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So this becomes 2 times, and now we flip the fraction. So we have 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. When we multiply, we get 2 times 2, which is 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 is just 4. So the result of this division is 4. Now we have 2 minus 4 and then plus 2. At this point, we only have subtraction and addition left. So we are allowed to calculate this however we want. You can start anywhere you like or just go from left to right. I'll start by calculating 2 minus 4 first. We can think about this using a number line. Here's 0. We start at 2 and we want to subtract 4. First, I subtract 2 to get back to 0. But I still need to subtract 2 more to subtract 4 in total. So I move 2 more steps to the left and I end up at negative 2. That's the result of this calculation. And don't forget, we still have plus 2. And we can use the number line again. I start at negative 2 and now I add 2. Adding means moving in the positive direction. So I move 2 steps to the right. That brings me to 0. And this is the correct result for this problem. Let me know you how to solve this in the comments and I'll see you in my next video.